Creativity, Innovation, and Design teaches students how to be creative and how to apply that to solve major real-world problems. The university tends to focus students on convergent thinking, how to come up with the best answer. And so students don't get a chance to practice divergent thinking, coming up with all sorts of possible solutions. And that's what this class is really good at.
As soon as you walk in, it's a room with a bunch of possibilities and like a bunch of things to play around with, including your seating. You can sit like in a cushion, you can sit on the floor in a metal chair. So it's just like a place where you can just come and do whatever you want and let your ideas flow.
Creativity usually isn't something you think you can learn. And so this class is unique in that it gives you the tools and the opportunities to practice it.
The final design project, which is a wicked design project, is mitigating high-risk drinking on campus, which is a gnarly problem that's been around for hundreds of years. And students, when they come up with really good solutions, they will have tremendous confidence that they can solve any of the real-world problems that they come up against.
The final project, solving binge drinking on campus, is the ultimate kind of first step to them after the class. Solving a real-world problem, or to addressing it at least, and really doing what they can to change someone's behavior. So it's about designing a policy, a campaign, a series of products, or really an entire project around improving people's lives.
The guests were actually the best part of the class, having people who worked for gaming companies like Blizzard, to like the head of IDEO, to people who are very involved in the university, just gave us like a lot of different points of view in terms of the different problems we were addressing and how to address those problems. And really it's like those things that you can't really read from a book.
Essentially what we did was to build a website, and the idea is that people can anonymously share and read the stories from their community to better learn about what the environment here is actually like, and to also be able to ask questions and learn facts in a very organic way on the site.
Breaking that mold of like how to think or like what you're actually learning. First of all, I thought like how can you learn to be creative, but it's the structure behind it that's what we really learned and what I feel like really I'll take out of this class the most.
A lot of what I'm taking away is being really creatively conscious, thinking about applying creativity to different places, and also the specific techniques you use to develop empathy for your users, or to act on your feedback, and just specific techniques to jog your thinking, brainstorming, and all that.